Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram repost button missing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The repost button normally appears right next to the like and comment buttons below a post, and it looks like two small arrows. When you tap on it, the post or reel gets reposted directly to your profile. If this button isn't showing up for you, the first thing you should do is open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is fully updated to the latest version, since this is a newly released feature. If you see an update option, tap on it and wait a minute or two for the update to install. Once the app is updated, the repost button should appear automatically. However, keep in mind that not every post on Instagram can be reposted. If the content comes from a private account, even when you follow, the repost option won't be available. The account must be set to public for reposting to work. Another possible reason the repost button is missing is regional availability. Instagram often rolls out new features gradually, meaning some countries or accounts get access earlier than others. If you've updated the app and are using a public account but still don't see the repost option, it likely hasn't reached your region yet. In that case, all you can do is wait a few days or weeks and keep your app updated regularly. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Instagram repost button missing. So that's all for this video. Thanks.